When it comes to safety and preparedness, there's no room for compromise. That's why in 2024, Chinook Medical Gear continues to remain at the forefront, providing essential tools for first responders, outdoorsmen, and everyday citizens.
Today we're taking a look at Chinook Medical Gear's top-selling products of 2024 that can save your life when every second counts.
First up, we have the First Responder Kit. This compact and organized kit from ChinookMed.com is built for quick response in life-threatening situations. It's stocked with bandages, gauze, and antiseptic wipes and more, providing you with the tools you need to stabilize someone until help arrives.
Whether it's in your car, in your home, or on the trail, this kit is a must-have for anyone who values preparedness. Next up is our ETQ or Everyday Carry Tourniquet from Snakestaff Systems. At ChinookMed.com, we offer the ETQ, the 1-inch version, and the ETQ Wide, the 1.5-inch version. These tourniquets are just like your traditional windlass tourniquet and can be applied one-handed. They also are approved for use on children and pets, and for anyone who does not know how to use a tourniquet, there are instructions accessible via the QR code on the front.
That's right, and the very convenient form factor, no bigger than the size of a single stack magazine, makes it very easy to carry around. You can have one in your house, your car, your truck, or your pack.
Just don't leave home without one. Speaking of everyday carry options, we have the Everyday Carry Trauma Module, or EDC-TM. If you haven't seen our video of the EDC-TM, check the description below, which goes over the details of all the contents of this kit. Just to summarize, we do have an Everyday Carry Tourniquet inside of the EDC-TM, as well as hemostatic gauze, a 4-inch dressing, some gloves, and some chest seals. So you can really hit the life-threatening hemorrhage and penetrating thoracic trauma with an EDC-TM. Great thing about it, fits in your back pocket, cargo pocket, and it's an excellent product just to have on you as an everyday carry option. The second benefit to the EDC-TM is that the contents of this are cheaper to purchase in the EDC-TM than they are to purchase separately. So, great deal, great product, EDC-TM.
Here's something that could make all the difference in a critical situation: the IDPA, the Individual Direct Pressure Adjunct. This product is revolutionary. Designed to assist with applying direct pressure to a wound, it helps control severe bleeding when traditional methods just aren't enough. It's easy to apply, fits any individual, and works in tandem with other treatments to stop the bleeding.
Whether you're out hiking or preparing for the unexpected, the 6-pack is here for you. The 6-pack includes 6 treatment and equipment-specific kits, including the germ pack, the wound pack, burn pack, the meds pack, the tool pack, and the bleeder pack, and an emergency first aid pocket guide that teaches you how to use all the items in these kits. It does work as a standalone system, or these items can be used individually. From bandages to tourniquets, it's the perfect addition to any pack.
In cold weather situations, survival is often about managing heat loss. Our new emergency blanket is a compact, lightweight solution for retaining body heat in emergency conditions. Made out of high-density polyethylene, made in America, whether you're facing shock or it's simply a freezing night, this blanket can help keep you alive until help arrives.
Lastly, we have something that brings training to life: the SMRT Training Moulage. This realistic wound simulation kit is used by medical professionals and first responders to practice life-saving techniques on realistic injuries.
That's right. From burns to lacerations, the SMRT Moulage helps you prepare for the real thing, because practice doesn't make perfect, it makes ready.
Chinook Medical Gear is committed to providing the highest quality medical gear for those who value preparedness. When the moment arrives, will you be ready?
Visit ChinookMed.com to find these products and more. Be ready, stay safe, and thanks for watching.